Now we're done. So let me show you around. So this is the final video for Project 3. Udon. Start on the master bedroom. This is the walk-in closet and prayer room. Nice size. It's 3.5 meters by 3, or 4 meters by 3. Bathroom still got clean up in the morning. So tomorrow is our last day. Half day. So the tidying up to do. The workers have been staying in here, so they're using the shower and all that. The client wanted sliding doors in. Just turn the lights. That's the client's going to be putting a fan in up there. He hasn't chose which fan he wants. So a nice spacious area. This is the kitchen, breakfast area, breakfast bar. Client's well happy with this. Lower ceiling for the kitchen area, which I quite like. The dining area. Let me show you out the back. We've used the wood effect tile, same they use on the plantation. The outside kitchen area and washing area. And we've also put power points in for the security cameras for the client. Pathway all the way around. We've got the pump area and water tank over there. Not that you can see it, but I'll show you that in the daylight. Not much you can see from there. So I'll clean the floor. Well, there you go. These are the 2 guest rooms or spare rooms. It's going to use this like a gymnasium. Feature wall, sliding door, lockable, obviously, because this is like Jack and Jill bathroom. And the clients start moving some of the stuff in already. That's their stuff there. They're both nice sized guest rooms. So tomorrow we're having a bit of a party for the staff to say thank you for all their hard work. The clients putting a bit of a party on for them. I'll show you a bit more here. Seating area. Double carpool area. More seating area up there. We've done some external power points in certain places that the client wanted. And this is Dino, the client's dinosaur. So here on the corner on the ramp, and the client's initials on this side, mine and Pi's initials on here, and that's some of the stuff there which you'll probably remember from Kev's, Roman Kev's. So anyway, I'll show you a bit more in the morning. Okay, this is the last hour or so. So we'll do this job. So I just finished cleaning up. So here's the carport. Electrician. They're not disco lights, it's just it's flickering because of the frame rate. For the cooker. Work. So I'll wipe this down. Bathroom still needs to be cleaned. Okay. Here for the gas, wash machine. Here's the underground well, storage tank, filter and pump. And the dike in here, this is for the cassette in the living area. It's an R410 here. Bathroom, guest room 1, guest room 2. This is where he's going to put his rig and his drum kit and that in here, but they're using it for storage just now to move in. I love these doors. These are linewood doors and EL handles. For the kitchen, so you got the breakfast bar area here, and some under sockets, and the same on the other side. Then we've got these, plenty of cupboard space. That's up bar. Plenty of drawer space as well. Yeah. All the paint I used on here is TOA, which I like to use TOA. Okay, well, we'll get the guys the roast pig to say thank you to the staff for coming over here to help out. Seba. Okay, so this is it. last part of the video and say goodbye to Udon for now. So everyone's talking some food. We've got my roast pig and some tam and barbecue chicken and some beer and all that. So once they're finished eating, most of us are going back down to Concan today to work on the other 2 projects down there. So that's the guys there enjoying themselves. This job actually took us 4 months, 11 days to do. So 11 days over from my prediction, but that was down to weather. But still, I'm happy with that. For the total cost with the client, with Lee and Aun, which I'll introduce you to in a moment, they spent just under 4 million. That's with the land, the 3 rai of land, the landfill and the house. So they're really happy with what they've got. And the house is 209 square meters in total. So that's it, guys, and I'm with the owners, Lee and Aun, which I'll introduce you to.
Hello.
And Anne and Richard from the Paramotor Club. As you know, Lee does Paramotor, same as Richard here. So Lee, now it's all done, you've got your house.
Bryan's done an absolutely fantastic job. We are beyond happy.
Yeah, and I haven't blackmailed you. I haven't paid you to say that.
Well, yeah, we'll have to give you a tip, you know.
Yeah.
No, Bryan did a marvelous job for a very honest, reasonable price. But the biggest thing is he did a tremendous job, and actually better than we anticipated, better than we planned for. So we're extremely happy with everything, without a doubt.
Okay, thank you. It's been a pleasure working for you.
Absolutely,
you know?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'll probably build one for Richard one day.
I hope so.
Yeah, what do you think, Pi? Do you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, he's a good boss. What do you think, Anne? Love it? Yeah. Well, you just got to work on your landscape.
Yes.
Yeah, get all your trees in. Yeah, I mean, I can recommend on a lot of things, you know, for the garden and that, you know. So.
Shiro, what do you think?
Yeah, oh, mustn't forget Shiro. Where's Shiro? Shiro,
What you think, Shiro?
what do you think? Yeah. There you go. So you've heard from Shiro. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.